Changing the language in the Robinhood app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to language preferences. Scroll down the settings menu until you find the language option. Tap on it to view the available language options. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and select the one you want to use. The app will usually provide a preview of how the language will appear. Step 5. Confirm your selection. After selecting your preferred language, confirm your choice by tapping on the Save or Reply button. The app will refresh, and the language will be updated. Once you have completed these steps, the Robinhood app will display content in your chosen language. If you need to change it again in the future, simply repeat the process.